everyone, this is me MASE and welcome to a new video, and this time it will be about painting the miniature from Star Wars kit from Speeder. And as you can see, I start painting it with a white color and I use gray color for some small details. Of course I use black for boots and for the gloves. After that, I start painting the face with skin color or ochre color, because that's only what I have, too similar. And after that, I just start painting the jacket with red color mixed with a little bit of white, I think, and just paint the whole body this way. And yeah, like arms, etc. All things what is missing to paint. And to the last detail, I just trying to paint the Rebel logo on the helmet. That's it, and bye bye.